An official welcome to spring from the Trailside Brothers. Look at this. It's beautiful out. Hope you're out enjoying nature. Comment below where you're going to visit this spring or summer. If you haven't already thought of somewhere to go, make sure you're thinking about it now. I'm here in downtown Nashville, Tennessee, but you can still enjoy some beautiful things. Even if you're in a bigger city, leave a comment again. What beautiful scenery are you going to go see this summer and spring?